Have you ever had a moment where you imagine a scene in your head, a beautiful shot, a dynamic camera move, a cinematic moment, and then instantly realize, yeah, I could never film that? Maybe you don't have the gear, the actors, the lighting, the set, the budget, or even the time. Well, today, that feeling might change forever. Because there's a new AI model that can take those scenes you imagine and actually turn them into reality. And it's doing it in a way that's making creators rethink what video production even means anymore. This is Higgsfield's Kling O1, and if you create videos, whether it's stories, ads, social content, animations, or world building, this is something you'll want to pay close attention to. Kling O1 isn't a small upgrade, it isn't a new text-to-video toy. This is the first unified multimodal video model. And that phrase might sound fancy, but it basically means this. Instead of stitching together a bunch of tools that sort of talk to each other, Kling O1 is one brain, one system that understands generation, editing, motion, characters, lighting, and consistency all at once. And that changes everything. Kling O1, on the other hand, approaches video like a cinematographer, a director, a VFX artist, and an editor working from the same script. It understands not just the frames, but the identity, the environment, the lighting, the physics, and the motion all at the same time. That's why its outputs look so much more intentional. It doesn't look like a computer hallucinating. It looks like something that was filmed. Now picture this next part, because this is where things get wild. Let's say you upload a single character reference, maybe a selfie, maybe a drawn character, maybe a stylized portrait. Kling O1 can take that character and keep them consistent across different shots, across motion, across lighting changes, across different angles. Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling O1 generations for everyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plan by December 7th, unlimited. This early in a model's life cycle, that's rare. Normally tools throttle usage or limit credits because the demand is huge. But right now, if you join the Ultimate Plus plan, before that deadline, you get unlimited generations to experiment, create, test, and build without worrying about running out of credits. If you're serious about storytelling, world building, or content creation, this is the best window you'll get. First, let me walk you through the sign-in process. Open your browser and go to the Higgsfield website. I have left a link in the description. That whole flow is simple and secure. Once you're signed in, go to the edit section and make sure you're using the Kling O1 video edit model. This is the tool that lets you transform a video clip into anything you can imagine: new styles, new lighting, different moods, and even different environments. After signing in, navigate to the video or edit section and choose the Kling O1 video edit model. The left column is where you prepare your inputs. The top area is where you upload the short reference video you want to edit. Remember, Kling O1 works best with clips between about 3 and 10 seconds. Below that, there's an Upload Images and Elements box where you can optionally add up to a few reference images or graphic elements. Those help the model keep character identity, props, or stylistic details consistent. Under those upload areas, you'll find the prompt box. This is where you type the visual changes you want. In the prompt box, I have typed, for instance, something like restyle this scene into a painterly, soft oil painting look with warm color tones. Add gentle brushstroke texture to the environment while keeping the subject realistic and recognizable. Smooth, dreamy lighting. Maintain original motion. That is the exact kind of natural language instruction Kling O1 expects. Describe the look, the mood, and any motion or consistency constraints. Be explicit about what must stay the same and what can change. Once your prompt reads the way you want, make sure auto settings are set as you prefer and confirm the model listed is Kling O1 Video Edit. When you press Generate Video, the UI will start processing the job. The button may change to show a countdown or a spinner while the model renders the clip. After you click Generate, expect a short wait while Kling O1 computes your new 310-second result. When the render is ready, the interface will show a preview frame or a playable clip in the right side preview area. You'll usually see small action icons near the generated result, a download arrow to save the clip locally, a refresh or regenerate icon to try the same prompt again with variations, a save or bookmark icon to store the result in your history, and a trash icon to delete an output you don't like. If the result isn't perfect, tweak the prompt. Add details about lighting, camera motion, or color temperature, or upload additional reference images to pin down character identity. Because Kling O1 supports motion transfer, you can also upload a separate motion clip to borrow camera movement or character animation, then ask the model to apply that motion to your subject. As we wrap up, let me say this. Kling O1 isn't the final evolution of AI video. It's a major step, but it's part of a much bigger movement in how we create. But right now, today, it's one of the most advanced, polished, and genuinely useful AI video tools available. And if you're ready to explore it, now is the moment, because the unlimited generations offer ends on December 7th. If you want me to go deeper into techniques like how to structure prompts, how to maintain character identity across multiple scenes, how to direct motion, or how to use Kling O1 in a full workflow, let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, welcome to IdeaPlex, where we explore tools that let your ideas stretch beyond imagination. Like, subscribe, and make sure notifications are on so you don't miss the next creative breakthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative.